As a manufacturer, every customer you work with demands unique quality submission requirements and report formats. Managing these quality projects requires massive spreadsheets with multiple tabs, each filled with data that must be manually typed across different reports. Mistakes are easily made, with engineering changes and revision control nearly impossible to trace, ultimately leading to poor quality parts and increased risk of customer rejection. Now, there's a better way. QA's PQP, Production Quality Planning, provides powerful tools to create, manage, and monitor your APQP projects using our database-driven applications. Each project starts with a submission requirement checklist that can be easily loaded through our included templates or customized for your specific customers. A project schedule is automatically generated based on the job's due date, and responsibilities are assigned to different team members so that everyone knows what to do and when to do it. While reports can be manually attached, QA includes interactive submission forms based on industry standard reports. These forms are ready to use out of the box, or can be customized to meet the reporting needs of any client. Better yet, because PQP is fully integrated with QA's suite of manufacturing quality solutions, common quality reports can be automatically populated using your existing process library, inspection plans, and inspection data. Individual reports, certifications, or custom report packages can be sent to your customer at any time. And once the job is complete, your final submission package is automatically compiled, ready to be sent to your customer. It's that simple. So say goodbye to long days and tedious spreadsheets and say hello to your new quality solution. Contact a QA quality expert to get started today.